this quick thing. It's not that hard though. So let's wait. I'm actually pretty scared though. It's starting. The quick to get, it's nothing.
Yeah, but if you're sitting in your house, not on a ride.
The TV will fall.
That's not falling.
The aftershocks.
Okay, that's it.
500 deaths and approximately $89.6 billion in
Guys, look how cool this is. Put my finger there, I have an electric finger that
Go on, keep going. You're almost there. One more.
but they put like a picture on it.
Be careful with the animals.
I'm killing the animal.
Don't throw the sand.
Oh, I'm working on the animal. Guys, now we're in like this 3D thing. This is what it looks like. You can't really see it though. So let me put like the glasses there, so then you can see it.